Got it done. We're out here, Wisconsin, first season of the year. Dad and I are out here using the air shotguns. He created some conversion barrels with a cartridge that works perfect. So we're out here kind of testing and reviewing, and it's been hard getting on birds the first couple days, but we switched over to a different property and I was able to call in 3 jakes as you saw this morning. And with lack of seeing a lot of birds around, I'll take a jake. So especially with the new air shotgun conversion kit, but I'll take it. I'm stoked. Little mini paintbrush, actually. Nothing to write home about, but it's a good, clean kill. Get some meat on the ground, and we did it. We have conversion barrels for the Seneca wing shot, the Umarex hammer, and the Air Force Texan. And I'm using the Air Force Texan today. As you saw, that was probably about, what, 20 yards, maybe just shy, but around 20 yards, and it dropped it pretty good, pretty quick. So it works, the load works. That's what did it. Don't need no 3.5-inch Magnum round. Nice, quiet, small air shotgun load. TSS seems to be helping pattern and hit a little harder. So, got it done. I'm excited. This is my first turkey with an air shotgun, so that makes me happy.